Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and well at your home. Kids, take out your English Magic big book, okay? And page number 8, okay? Now, today we are going to learn and write letter A. Here, capital letter A with small letter A and sound A. A. Apple. Aeroplane, apron, ambulance, aeroplane, ambulance, airplane flying above an ambulance, aquarium house. Here, apron, apple, almond, almond, apple, X. Apple, apple on an apple tree. Okay? Ant, ant, X. Now, next page number 10. Here, given small letter A. So, kids, firstly, we will be trace these small letters like this. Make a curve between blue two lines like this. Again, make a circle and little bit move like this. Curve, standing line small and little bit move like this. In this way you have to complete it, tracing letter small letter A. Okay, now here start from the dot, make a curve, then start from the dot, make a standing line and little bit move like this, curve like this. In this way you have to complete it letter A. Next, my magical activities. Circle the pictures which are starting with alphabet A. Okay, now see which picture is this. Tell me, kids. Ant. So we have to circle, start from the letter A. Aeroplane like this, start from letter A. Almond, also start from letter A. Here, cat, so it start from letter C. It start from letter B. Banana. Here, apple, it start from letter A. So we have to circle like this. Okay, now next, my magical pencil. Here given capital letter A. So kid, firstly we will see tracing line, make a slanting line slowly, right side slanting line, left side slanting line like this, then slipping line in blue lines down. Okay, in this way you have to complete it. And here we will be start from the dot, make a slanting line, left side, right side, then slipping like this. In this way you have to complete it letter A. Okay, now my magical sticker. Here given some apples. So kids, we have to paste the sticker from the last page. Okay, now next page number 1 to 12. Here given capital with small letter B and sound B. Ball, B bat, B book, b balloon, b baskets, bat, ball. Okay, now baskets. Okay, now here bicycle, bag, boy, book, bed, ball, banana, balloon, beer, bus. Okay kids, now next page number 14. Here given small letter B. So kids, firstly we will see like this, pressing letter B, standing line, then make a curve opposite side like this, standing line, then make a curve opposite side. Now here C, make a standing line, start from the dot, then between in two lines, in blue two lines, make a curve like this. Okay, like this. In this way you have to complete it letter B. Now my magical activities: draw a line to put the pictures starting with the letter B in the baskets. Okay kids, so kids see boy, it is start from the letter B, so boy in the baskets. Bat, bat also in the baskets. Dog, no, it start from the D. Bot, ball, start from B. Cat. Okay, now next my magical pencil, here given capital letter B. So kids, firstly we will see make a tracing line. Okay, tracing, make a standing line slowly, then make a small slipping line, then make a move little bit and curve, then slipping line. Okay, again standing line, slipping line small, then little bit move, make a curve, again slipping line. Same, in this way you have to complete it letter B. Here start from the dot, make a standing line, then slipping line, little bit move, and then like this, standing line, slipping line, curve, slipping, curve, slipping line. In this way you have to complete it capital letter B. Next, my magical colors. Colors the balloon having the alphabet B with red color and alphabet B, small letter B with yellow color. Okay, here given capital letter B. So kids, in capital letter B we will have to fill the color with red color, and small letter B we have to fill the color with yellow color. Okay, here red color, here yellow color. Okay, so kids, firstly we will see here given small letter B. So small letter B with yellow color like this. Slowly you have to complete it color. Okay, now here capital letter B with red color. Not spread here and there, you have to fill the color between capital letter B. Okay, like this. Okay kids, now here given capital Sorry, small letter B. So kids, we have to yellow color. Okay. Now also we have to fill with red color. Okay kids, in this way you have to complete it पेज नंबर 8 से लेके 15 तक। और आपकी स्मॉल बुक है, इसके अंदर भी आपको कैपिटल लेटर ए एंड स्मॉल लेटर ए, कैपिटल लेटर बी एंड स्मॉल लेटर बी कंप्लीट करना है। ओके, थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे।